Hi, I'm Linda from English Learning Mind Map. Today, we will learn about leisure exploration. Leisure exploration. To broaden horizons and seek adventure through leisure exploration, travelers often plan months in advance. Basically, we are using travel phrasal verbs to describe the perfect holiday experience. Travel arrangements. As a core pillar of leisure exploration, travel arrangements allow you to map out your route and set off with confidence. In simple terms, you are planning where to go and starting your journey. Logistical coordination. Logistical coordination is a branch of travel arrangements where you check in at the airport and eventually touch down in a new country. This means moving through the airport and arriving at your destination. Accommodation booking. Under the umbrella of accommodation booking, you must look for a nice hotel and decide where to put up at for the night. To put it simply, you are searching for a bed and staying in a room for your stay. Itinerary planning. Itinerary planning serves as a functional layer of travel arrangements to line up your visits and figure out the best train times. Essentially, you are organizing your days and solving the puzzle of the local schedule. Sightseeing selection. Within Sightseeing Selection, you can take in the mountain views and go around the historical center of the city. In other words, you are looking at beautiful things and visiting all the famous spots. Cultural immersion. Cultural immersion is a vital branch of leisure exploration used to blend in with the locals and soak up the unique atmosphere. Simply put, you are trying to feel like you live there instead of just visiting. Local engagement. Local engagement is a core part of cultural immersion where you reach out to neighbors and manage to get by with basic gestures. This involves talking to people and surviving the day in a place you don't know. Culinary exploration. Through culinary exploration, you can try out exotic spices and choose to eat out at the best local taverns. To put it simply, you are tasting new food and having your dinner at a restaurant instead of the hotel. Linguistic adaptation. Linguistic adaptation is a functional layer of cultural immersion used to pick up common phrases and brush up on your high school grammar. In short, you are learning new words and improving your speaking skills. Vernacular usage. Through better vernacular usage, you can get across your meaning to the waiter and speak up if you need help. Effectively, you are making people understand you and talking clearly to get what you need. Personal rejuvenation. Personal rejuvenation is a critical requirement for leisure exploration to wind down after a busy year and switch off your phone. Effectively, you are resting your brain and forgetting about all your work stress. Stress alleviation. Stress alleviation is a strategy within personal rejuvenation used to chill out by the pool and let go of all your worries. This involves relaxing completely and stopping all the busy thoughts in your head. Mindful detachment. By practicing mindful detachment, you can tune out the noise of the city and eventually drift off while sunbathing. To put it simply, you ignore the loud world and fall into a light, peaceful sleep. Physical restoration. Physical restoration is a technical application of personal rejuvenation used to ease off the pressure and loosen up your stiff muscles. In simple terms, you are giving your body a holiday from hard work. Sleep hygiene. To improve your sleep hygiene, you should lie down for a nap and feel free to sleep in every morning. This means resting on the bed whenever you want and staying in bed late because there is no alarm clock. Tourist dynamics. Tourist dynamics is a fundamental goal of leisure exploration where you can show off your tan and look back on the fun times later. Basically, this is about the things you do for fun and the memories you keep. Souvenir acquisition. Souvenir acquisition is a core part of tourist dynamics where you pick up gifts for friends and pay out for local crafts. This means finding small things to buy and spending your holiday money on presents. Trinket collection. During trinket collection, you can look through the street markets and occasionally splash out on something expensive. In other words, you examine the items in the shops and spend a lot of money on a special treat. Social documentation. Social documentation is a practical goal of tourist dynamics to keep up with your blog and look forward 2. Showing your photos. Essentially, you're recording your trip so you can remember the details later. Digital sharing. Under the umbrella of digital sharing, you can put up a video of the beach and send off a quick message to your family. To put it simply, you are posting your pictures online and mailing news to people back home. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more English lessons.